All right, so we're at the Jamaica Under 15 trial ID camp in Coral Springs, Florida, and we have one of the parents here. Just want to introduce yourself and your son.
I'm Christine Spencer. My son is Jeremy Laidlaw, Jamaican born,
Mm-hmm.
and plays currently with the Parkland Soccer Club.
Parkland in Florida.
Yes.
Okay, what's your impressions of what you've seen so far over the last 2 days?
Definitely love the program. I know the tryouts had a similar program, but we seem to have gained a few more boys this time around, and definitely in these scrimmages today and the practices and trials yesterday with all the different working out. I feel like the boys have started to mesh and are playing well together and really seem to be making a good impression, and it's competitive. I just love seeing this, love to see the boys playing against each other regardless of where they're from, and you see that competitive nature come out and
Yeah.
they all shine.
Good. Where in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston.
Kingston? Everybody said it from Kingston?
Red Hills.
Okay, Radio Zerd. All right, thanks for the time.
Thank you.
All right.